Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to access a Linux VPS via VNC using the VirtFusion Control Panel. First, log into your VirtFusion dashboard. Click Services, then select My Services. Find the product or service you want to access via VNC and click on it. Continue to click on Open Control Panel. Next, go to the Options section and click on Enable VNC Access. Then click on Browser VNC, and a new browser window will open. After that, you can enter your username and password to access your VPS.